You're listening to Safety FM Min.
This episode of the broadcast and the podcast is brought to you by Safety Focus Moments. They're consultants that want to help you get the safety culture you've been looking for. For more information, go to safetyfocusmoment.com.
Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Safety FM Mini. This is Jay Allen. I hope everything is good and grand inside of your neck of the woods as we are hanging out on this lovely Friday, August the 9th. Now, I have to tell you, I've been surprised with the amount of people that kind of, freaked out a little bit when it came to the fake episode that we did on Tuesday related to artificial intelligence. And of course, the question has come about, and I figured that we should address it today. If that is the way that most episodes will be done in the future, and the answer is absolutely no. I just wanted to show you what the difference was in regards to technology that is taking place. And of course, all kinds of interesting questions if we're going to be doing episodes like that, if generative AI will be a replacement for in regards to what people's knowledge are. And the answers are no. I just wanted to share what's out there and the things that you can work with in regards to what you're doing in this whole thing related to safety inside of your workplace. So keep in mind that these things are out there to help you, not to replace anyone. Nobody wants to be replaced. It's all about bringing information forward on what's going on. Anyways, I've been your safety manager and host, Jay Allen. And until next time, be safe.
Expressed on this podcast are those of the host and its guest and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of the company. Examples of analysis discussed within this podcast are only examples. They should not be utilized in the real world as the only solution available, as they are based only on very limited and dated open source information. Assumptions made within this analysis are not reflective of the position of the company. No part of this podcast may be reproduced, stored in a retrieval system, or transmitted in any form or by any means, mechanical, electronic, recording, or otherwise, without prior written permission of the creator of the podcast, Jay Allen.